Gold traded with a modest bearish bias yesterday. We have seen it hitting 1996. That was the only buying point. But yes, before that, it has seen the lows at 1984, the first support levels, and has recovered since then. So now what to expect? Remember, yesterday I have mentioned 1990 selling entry and 1984-85 is a support level. Precisely, it has achieved and bounced back. So how to profit today in simple easy steps trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon. Your every action supports and motivates me to deliver twice a day updates. Also, if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly. See, on the hourly charts, after the drop, gold is trading sideways here in this zone. It has dropped towards 1984 and has recovered. But yes, most importantly, it has failed to break beyond 1996. I have mentioned that is the only buying point beyond which it will try to trade bullish. Now, if you look at the hourly charts, what has happened since then? First of all, there is a reversal sign, a rise sideways, and now again, if you see it trading above 1995-96, you can initiate a buying position here. Expect it to hit 2000-2005 levels. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is near to top, looking downwards. MACD has retraced, it is divergent, it is looking upwards. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. It has just waited for the 20 period moving average to come down, which is right now sitting at around 1996 levels. Again, making this zone is a very, very good resistance zone. Thus, we have to be careful at around 96 and 2000. Beyond 96, we can look forward to 2000 and then 2004, 2005 levels as the next resistance. Now, also, as I shared, this is one bullish candle. See, when you see all these candles failing to break past the lows of this greener candle, suggests that this is retracement and there is a possibility of a reversal. So we have to now wait for it to give a breakout above 1995-96. Stochastic looking downwards as of now. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence, trying to look upwards, stay bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. It is trading sluggish throughout the day. We have to wait for a breakout. Yes, above 95-96. Certainly, you can buy for 2000-2005 levels. The stochastic is rising. MACD has crossed over just, and it is trading with little divergence. Two greener candles. Possibility of a third and fourth candle exist. RSI flat at bottom. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation. Look at these two candles. Lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. Consolidation is happening as of now. Only selling entry is below 1988, below which you can still expect it to move towards 1984-85. Very, very good support. Those who wants to take a safe entry should wait for 1985 levels to be breached on the downside. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a conversion and crossover here. It is not yet crossed over. RSI has come out of the oversold. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Half of the batch is full. You can register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of the Signal channel on Telegram. For any of your queries, you can write an email or ping me on Telegram. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of my platform forexfunda.com, where you get all the market related information along with an option to book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Coming to the daily, certainly on the daily charts, moving average is crossing over here. Yesterday I have shown you this is happening almost for on the sell side. It is happening almost after 7 to 8 months. We have seen this happening in July, August 2023, and since then it has stayed in the green zone. Now it is crossing over here after a long time. Second observation here, it is that it is forming a you can say bearish channel. The highs of the channel again are at around 2040, 2050 levels. The lows are somewhere at 1971, 72. Now also one must note what has happened yesterday. It has formed a tail and it is closed in green. But remember, it has not shown any signs of bullishness here. It is continuing to trade downwards, suggestive that the bearishness might continue. But remember, a reversal, because this candle and the preceding two candles are very long. This suggests that it could try to retrace a little towards 2004, 2005, and in fact higher levels as well. As stochastic is running oversold, look at MACD. This is trading divergent. This is trading bearish. RSI is flat at bottom. So looking at this, I will only recommend you to buy at 1995-96 zone, beyond which we can look forward to 2000 and 2005 levels as the next targets. And if it stays above 2005 levels, certainly we are looking forward to see 2008, 2010. This was the stronger support when it was trading above these levels. Now this is going to be the resistance for the day. If it continues to trade about 28 2010 levels, certainly you can say the gold is trying to reverse and we can look forward to 2020 levels. And thus buying entry only is recommended above 1996. Mark those levels and take a position accordingly. A selling entry is recommended if you see it trading below 1986 levels. You can sell here, and this time we can look forward to 1984-86 is a complete support zone, because below that we can look forward to 1979 1978 79.5 as the next target, and then 1972.5 as the next targets. This is going to be the stronger support. If it continues to trade bearish from the here, 1972.5 certainly is going to be a greater support zone. So take your positions accordingly, sell at 1984-86 zone and buy at 1995-96 levels. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries, and yes, do watch the next update before the US session today itself. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.